Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance with a quick stairwell project update. I haven't been able to shoot any videos over here. I've only been working over here maybe an hour or two at a time in between other jobs, so I haven't even had time to set up a camera if I wanted to. But basically, I just wanted to give you a real quick update. I'm gonna go through it pretty fast. But the hallway, you can see we got it drywalled, we got it textured, we got it primed, painted, done, electric in. Got the floor ground, it's ready to start laying tile. We're gonna start the process of laying that out Monday. I've got somebody's gonna be doing that, not me, to help us get caught up. He always does a good job for us. We're gonna tie that into that hallway out there. Same thing on the kitchen. We got to finish grinding. You can see we're set up here to lay tile or started getting the supplies in. Same thing, we've got it drywalled, we got the electric done. Everything's ready to go. So we're gonna do floors, and then I'm gonna set the doors, and then hopefully by then we'll get the cabinets in, start putting in the cabinets. So we're coming along in this kitchen, guys. It's gonna be done before too long. Trying to get this area done, the kitchen and the hallway, because you know staff comes through this back door and comes through the front a lot. So anything we're doing through here, we got to kind of schedule and block it off and do things like that. So I'm trying to knock these two areas out, or at least the hallway, so that we can no longer have to worry about that. And we're pretty much working by ourselves. Down in the stairwell, nothing's really changed other than the drywall hung and mudded, ready to sand that, then prime and paint. Nothing else upstairs still. In here, same process in this guest room. We're in the process of getting the mud in. I think all we like is probably a little bit of maybe touch-up stuff and then some sanding, and then we'll be able to move on with that. Did get the shower pan set, was able to achieve it by grinding the floor, so that worked out. We still did do some thin set and kind of set it just to help some. Got the backer board on, got it red guarded, so it's ready to go. All the rough plumbing is completely done. Below in the crawl space, I got all the holes patched in the floors that used to be here from the old plumbing. It's not an easy job. It's easy if this was a slab, but to do that in a crawl space, you have to go underneath and brace something up to hold the concrete to be able to hold it in there while it's setting up. And then I want to thank my dear friend from Poland. I'll probably mispronounce his name, but Stefan Kowalik suggested that I tie off my lights to the joist, and then that way I can just leave them hanging. So now I do have light, but I don't have to keep taking them in and out in order to mud around those lights or to prime and paint. So that's a really great suggestion. I appreciate that. And if any of you use these things for temporary lights, I suggest you do the same thing. So again, we're moving along, guys. Just wanted to give you all a quick update. Sorry I haven't been able to shoot anything over here. It's been a crazy couple weeks of just finishing up projects all over the whole entire campus. So spend more time running around than we do working sometimes, but y'all know how that is. But again, just wanted to give you a quick update. Stay safe, have a blessed day. See you guys on the next video.